how are y'all doing today? I am doing well. Today's video is super exciting. I have been contacted by a colored contact company and we're doing a collab. If you guys couldn't tell, my eyes are brown. These are my human civilian eyes. I always get comments, I'm talking like on every video, and people are like, your eyes are so pretty, and I'm like, they're not really my eyes. Yeah, my eyes are like super dark brown. I have been contacted by COLEYES. I will put their name on the screen right here, and we are doing a collab, and I also have a discount code for you guys to order contacts with. My discount code, you can use the code TANA20 for 20% off your order, or you can use the code just TANA and you can get buy 2 get 2 free. So add 4 items total to your cart. I will also put it in the description, and I'll put it later in the video too. I've got 4 pairs to go through today. We're gonna unbox them and try each pair on. And these are also prescription, by the way, and I've got a different prescription per eye. I'm such a difficult person, and they have been so lovely making sure that I get the prescription that I need. They've been great to work with. But each pair, I'm going to put on screen what I've got on in my eyes so that it'll be easier for you guys to keep up with. If you want to pull up their website and browse as we're going through these. So they have sent them to me, and I am going to go ahead and open them. Alright, I see a purple box. Here is the box. Oh, look at their logo. I love that holographic reflective. I think it's so pretty. And then on the back here are all of their socials. I've always been obsessed with colored contacts because having brown eyes, I just don't want brown eyes. Let's open it and see what's in here. Oh man. Here's our 4 pairs. Glittering blue. These are blue. They look like an aquamarine. You can kind of see them in here. They look kind of like an aquamarine color. Oh my god. I ordered a pair of red ones. I've never owned a pair of red contacts before in my life, and you better believe that I'm gonna have to do a Misa Amane makeup look. I'm gonna have my Shinigami eyes. I didn't say the name. The red ones are Nonno Red. We've got the color Moonbeam Blue. Oh my god. These are super light. They look very like ethereal. Like, they are stunning. We've got Love Spell Hidden Love. These appear to be like one of their more popular. See the contact case through here, but I can't see the little thing. We've also got, you can scan this real quick to get to their website. Oh, this is actually very thoughtful and sweet. They've got how to wear and how to remove, which I can do an in-depth video on that. I mean, I'm going to show you guys me putting them in right now during this video, but if you guys want, I can do an in-depth video anytime if you need help with your contacts. They recommend to soak the contacts in solution for 6 hours before use, and I've got a big bottle of solution. This is the one that I personally use. So I'm going to go ahead and unpackage these, and I'm going to let them soak and put these in tomorrow for you guys. Opening them up, getting them ready to soak in overnight. I just wanted to show you guys, you open the box, and inside they have got a lens case with right and left being opposite, and on top indicating by a blue lid. I love that. These are actually really well made. They're a lot more well made than the ones that I've got, so I'm like so here for it. They come in these little, I don't know, things, little seals. I just went into the other room and I got all of my contacts in the cases that they came with, and I've got solution in there. And I took some Sharpie and wrote on each one on the lid what color it is so that I can keep up with it. Here's the cases. Here, they're very, very good quality, well made. They're very sealed. Like, if you're someone like me who has to take a pair of contact cases and your glasses with you wherever you go, if you wear contacts, just in case you need to take them out, you are set. You can just take them with you. When I was putting them in, I've got a different prescription per eye, and I was opening them up. I've got the prescription on this pair. It was Moonbeam. It was right here on the bottom. here was the box for that one. And I was looking, because all the other 3 came and they were packaged like this. And I was like, where is the prescription at, right? Well, if you take this tape and peel it back, your prescription is right under the tape. So if you are somebody that has a different prescription per eye, I just wanted to throw that in there to help you out. These cases, by the way, are incredibly easy to take out. All you have to do is just peel the lid back. This is full of like a saline. Where the contact is, all you had to do is scoop it out and put them in there. Alright, so I've got all 4 of them organized, ready to go. 3 of the cases I got are the blue and white regular, and I've got them written out. So I've got like the Moonbeam blue, the Nonno Red, glittering blue. And then the one that was the Love Spell Hidden Love, they actually came with a case with the brand's logo on it, the COLEYES. And on the inside, I took a picture of it because it was so cute. Under where the contacts go, there's a little smiley face right there. I'm like, that is just too freaking cute. So I just wanted to show you guys the contact case real quick. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I have let all my contacts sit in the solution for at least 6 hours, obviously, since it's the next day, and I'm about to put them all in. I'm gonna put on the screen which one's first. I'm gonna put one in, and then I'm gonna let you guys see my eye with the contact and without, and then I'm gonna put the other in, and I'm gonna do that for all of them, and I will put what color is in my eye currently on the screen. The first color that we're gonna do is Moonbeam Blue. Here are my eyes right now, and I'm gonna try to, I've got the window open for sunlight so you guys can see pretty good. Yeah, there's my eyes. And I've also started with clean washed hands. That's really important when you're putting things in your eye like this. I've got the contact, if you guys can see. You want to make sure that it's upright, like curved like this. You don't want to be putting it in backwards. And what I personally like to do is I like to take like my finger on my other hand, touch the top of my eyelid and lift it up, and I like to take the ring finger on this one, pull down, and then I like to take my contact and let it adhere. And then once the contact is in, I like to look up and blink a few times, and then the same, look down, blink a few times, and then do the left and right. And what that does is that helps the contact settle in your eye. So here's the first one. We have Moonbeam Blue. Whew. Sorry, my eyes are watering. And again, here is the left and right of my eye. Alright, so I've got Moonbeam Blue in right now. I wanted to wait until I had these in before I really talked about how they feel. These are so much thinner than the ones that I normally wear. They are so comfortable right now in my eye. Like the other brand of colored contacts that I wear, like as soon as I put them in, they are so heavy and I can feel them. But these are so thin, light. My prescription looks great. Like as I'm looking around, everything looks great. It feels great. Not only are they thin and comfortable, but they feel moisturized. Like they don't feel dry at all. They feel really, really good. So I'm really excited about them. But yeah, here's the Moonbeam Blue. While I've got these in, I'm going to show you guys how I take them out. I do about the same, but in reverse. I'll take my finger, pull my eye up, and then pull it down. And I like to take my fingers in a pinching motion like this. So I'll get my eye so it won't blink, pinch it, and then I like to pinch at the middle of the contact, and it kind of breaks the seal, like the suction that the contact has on your eye, so that it can be removed. And like you just saw, sometimes it takes me a few tries, but anyway, there it is again. I feel like these are like eye enlarging. I'm like really excited about it because I don't know, now it has me wanting to do some anime looks. Can't wait. But yeah, all you have to do is, I mean, the removal is super easy. Look at that. And honestly, if you're new to contacts, it might take a minute, but I can do a whole video or a short dedicated to like putting contacts in and taking them out if you guys would like. I've been wearing them since I was in high school, on and off. Alright guys, the second pair that we have is glittering blue, and they look like another pair of circle lenses, and they look like they have a green turquoise to them. So very excited about that. Oh, these are cute. Oh my god, do you see them? These are stunning. Oh my god, I feel like I have to be like so you guys can see, like, look into my eyeballs. Oh my god, they are so pretty. These are like an aquamarine color. I've got that pair settled in. I feel like an anime girly. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. That you guys have enough lighting to see. I've got like all of my studio lights on. It is currently very cloudy outside, which usually makes for good lighting for filming, but it's hard to tell. Here are the glittering blue in both of my eyes. Okay, so the next pair that I have, I think is the pair that I'm most excited about because they are red. I've never owned a pair of red contacts before, and they look, I'm talking pigmented. These are the Nonno Reds. Are you kidding me? Look at those. My eyes are red. Well, one of them. Alright, I didn't realize I was recording. Hi. I just got the other red one in. Oh, gotta zoom back in. Alright, we have one more pair, and this is the gray pair. I think this is one of the most popular ones on their website. It was called Love Spell Hidden Love. I'm really hoping that these will end up being my favies. Alright. Can you guys see them? Ooh, 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 ooh. I love them. Oh my god, these are stunning. These are freaking gorgeous. Okay guys, so those were the 4 contacts that I got from COLEYES. Let me know which ones were your favorite down below. I'm pretty partial to these because I like having like gray eyes. Oh, I don't know, the red ones are pretty cool too. But I also like the first 2. I don't know, I liked all of them. And if you guys want to order any for yourself, don't forget about the discount code. You can use TANA20 for 20% off your order, or just the code TANA for buy 2 get 2 free. And if you order any, please let me know because I'd love to see them on you guys. And yeah, they're so comfortable. I can't get over it. Oh my god, I'm like over the moon about these. Like, and I want to give a special thank you to COLEYES for collabing with me on the channel. I'm obsessed. I am completely floored by the quality of these contacts and how comfortable they are, how beautiful they are. I'm just floored. They are stunning. Like, I can't wait to order some more. I really wanted to get this violet pair, but they didn't have them in stock in my prescription, and I'm gonna have my eye on those next time. I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.